Graphic design might just be one of the more solid jobs you can have in this crazy year of 2020. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 essential tips you can do right now to start your design career and join the fam. Oh, this is gonna be so good! Oh man, I messed up my lights. All right. So like I was saying, graphic design might just be one of the better jobs you could have right now. Because if you think about it, all these business owners are not just sitting on their butt waiting to reopen, right? They're strategically planning marketing campaigns, advertising, rebranding, and other design needs for a strong return. And that is where we come in. But as you can see, I live in a small 1-bedroom apartment and it is currently a disaster. So if you excuse me, I'm gonna clean this really fast and then we're gonna dig into this. All right, if you're looking to get started into graphic design, I recommend these 5 things to help you get started on a good foot. The first thing is make sure you're using industry standard equipment and software. I know that sounds super obvious, but I know a lot of hobbyists that use free apps and all these cheap ways of doing things when you really should be using industry standard software like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, all this good stuff. And if you think about it, starting a business has to have some sort of element of investment if you're gonna do it right. Photoshop is only 10 bucks a month right now, so that's just like Netflix. Come on, bro, let's get it. And also, if you're a student, check with your school or institution because you might just be able to get all these Adobe products for free right now because of what's going on. The second thing you should do is create fake work. Hold up, I know, it sounds crazy, but if you create fake work, you're technically building your portfolio, right? So clients are not gonna wanna pay for your services if they don't know what you can do. So this is really good when you're narrowing down your niche. Like if you wanna do logo design or apparel design or anything like that, this is a good time to start making fake work to showcase what your skills are in that specific niche. And if you don't know where to start when you're creating fake work, try entering contests. I'll leave a couple links down below where you can enter some contests, because even if you don't win those contests and you make some really cool designs, still put that in your portfolio, man, you made that. Okay, if you are serious about getting your design career started, I highly recommend you join a freelance site. I recently made a video about finding remote work online in a time like this, so I'll leave that link somewhere up here for you guys to check out. But trust me when I say you do not want to make work for your friends or your friends' friends for the rest of your life. You want to break out of that box, you want to start building a client base, and this is the best way to jumpstart that. I know your parents told you when you were a kid not to talk to strangers, but in this case, still don't talk to strangers, but make some connections. Okay, I think this is number 4, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Another essential tip is that you must understand that client work is not the only way to make money. I've been doing this a while, and every year, same time of year, my client work goes way down. I'm talking about the holidays, people. This time of year, people's priorities are just in different places, and so you need to have other streams of income to back you up during this time. So if you can make some fonts and sell them, that is a huge market. If you guys can make infographics for businesses to put in their information, that's a great way to make some money. If you're a photographer like me, make some photorealistic mock-ups and sell them. People will eat that stuff up, man. And lastly, if you can draw, make some illustrations. Other designers will buy icon packs, or you can digitally draw some characters for different business scenarios. People will buy that stuff up, and it is a great way to make some money on the side. Okay, and the last thing I suggest doing when starting your design career is actually teaching what you already know. And before you go ahead and unqualify yourself, let me say this. You don't need to know how to do everything beforehand. Because trust me when I say when you teach something, it's only gonna make you stronger what you already know, and it's gonna challenge you to get better at the things that you're not so good at. So whether you're starting a YouTube channel, Come on, I'm doing it right now, right? Or you're launching something as big as a course. Either way, you don't have to know everything beforehand because people want to follow someone who never stops learning, not someone who knows it all already. All right, well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. Appreciate the support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Peace.